8th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We were discussing the lesson compound interest. Now coming to the worksheet 4 related to growth and depreciation. The examples already we have understood. Now the first question, the population of a town is increasing. It is growth, isn't it? At the rate of 8% per annum. What will be the population of the town after 2 years if the present population is 12,500? अभी का population 12,500 और हर साल 8% पर annum increase हो रहा है. So 2 साल के बाद कितना होगा? So what all will write? Present population of a town, that is 12,500. Let it be P. Now rate of increase, that means growth, that is R is equal to 8% per annum. Now time, how many years? N is equal to 2 years. Now they have asked present population, it is what will be the population of the town after 2 years? Population after 2 years, that is A. What is the formula? A is equal to P into, it is growth, that means add, isn't it? 1 plus R upon 100 the whole raised to N. Now P is 12,500 into 1 plus 8 upon 100 the whole raised to time is 2. Now 4 2s are 8, 4 25s are 100, that becomes 12,500 into, this is 25 plus 2, 27 upon 25, 27 upon 25. Now 25 ones are 25. How many times? 25 5 times, isn't it? 25 fours are 100. So 125 means 5 times and 2 zeros. Now 25 ones are 25 twos are 50 and 0. So you got a 27 into 27 into 20. 27 square is 729 into 20. It is 14,580. Calculation everything, rough work you have to do. Okay. Answer, it is the population of the town after 2 years will be 14,580. Easy sums, isn't it? Now coming to the question number 2, 3 years ago, so time is 3 years, the population of the town was 50,000. Now if the annual increase during the 3 successive years was at the rate 4%, 5%, 4% per annum, the rate of increase is different. Find the present population. So the population of the town 3 years ago 3 साल पहले का दिया है 50,000, that means it is P. Now rate of increase, हर एक साल में अलग है. So R1 is equal to 4%, R2 is equal to 5% and R3 is equal to 4% per annum. Now time we are not writing because R1, R2, R3 already it is given like that. Now it is the present population. अभी का पॉपुलेशन कैसे फाइंड आउट करने का? पहले 3 साल के पहले का P है तो अभी का बनेगा A, दैट इज P इंटू अभी. फॉर्मूला कैसे होगा? R1, R2, R3, सो P इंटू 1 प्लस R1 अपॉन 100, 1 प्लस R2 अपॉन 100, again 1 plus R3 upon 100. Now P is 50,000 into 1 plus 4 upon 100, 1 plus 5 upon 100, then 1 plus 4 upon 100. 4 ones are 4 25s are, 5 ones are 5 20s are, 4 ones are 4 25s are. Now we are confident of this calculation, isn't it? So many sums we have done. So it is 50,000 into 25. So 25 plus 1, it is 26 upon 25. Denominator 20. So it is 20 plus 1, 21 upon 20, 25, so 25 plus 1, 26 upon 25. Now you know 25 ones are, 25 twos are 50 and 3 zeros. Then 0, 0 cancel, 2 ones are, 2 hundreds are. 25 ones are, 25 fours are. Multiply 26 into 26, 676 into 21 into 4. So it comes up to 56,784. 56,784 answer. Present population is 56,784. That was question number 2. Hope you are confident of the sum. Now coming to question number 3. Madhu bought a house for 1 crore 31 lakh 25,000 if its value depreciates, मतलब कम हो गया, at the rate of 10% per annum. What will be the sale price after 3 years? So initial cost, isn't it? So first it is the initial, मतलब पहला कितना था? Initial cost of the house. It is rupees 1 crore 31 lakh 25,000. So it will be P. Next, rate of depreciation. Rate of depreciation, that is R is equal to 10% per annum. Time, that is N is given as 3 years. Now what is the cost? selling price, sale price is selling price, or the cost of the house after 3 years. Formula will be, that is A is equal to P into, it is depreciation, so it is minus 1 minus R upon 100 the whole raised to n. Clear? Now put the values 1 crore 31 lakh 25,000 into 1 minus 10 upon 100 the whole raised to 3. 0 0 get cancelled. That means 1 crore 31 lakh 25,000 into, it becomes 1 minus 1 upon 10. It means 10 minus 1 upon 10 the whole cube. Please remember it is minus, so better be careful during the calculation. It is into 9 upon 10 into 9 upon 10 into 9 upon 10. 1 0 2 0 3 0 get cancelled. And now when you multiply, you get rupees, it is 9 9s are 81 into 9 729, and multiply, you will get 95 lakh 68,125. 95 lakh 68,125. Answer: the sale price of the house after 3 years will be rupees 95 lakh 68,125. हमेशा याद रखो, कोई भी नया घर लिए, गाड़ी लिए, वॉशिंग मशीन, टीवी, रेफ्रिजरेटर, जो भी हम बेचते हैं तभी उसका कॉस्ट कम हो जाता है. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज depreciation. Now coming to the fourth question, the profits of the firm were 72,000 in the year 2014. Then during the next year it increased by 7%, and in the next year it decreased by 5%. What are the profits of the firm after 2 years? एक साल बढ़ गया, दूसरे साल कम हो गया. Increased and decreased दोनों हैं. So it is the profit. Okay, so you will write the initial profit. How much it was? Rupees 72,000. पहले 72,000 था, फिर नेक्स्ट ईयर 7% बढ़ गया, और उसके बाद का ईयर में 5% कम हो गया. सो 72,000 क्या होगा? P. सो रेट ऑफ increase, that is R1 is equal to 7%. Rate of decrease second year, that is R2 is equal to 5%. टाइम हम नहीं लिखेंगे. नाउ प्रॉफिट आफ्टर 2 years, that is A is equal to, now you have to be careful, P into first year it is increase, so it is 1 plus R upon 100 the whole raised to नहीं है, 1 plus R1 upon 100. In the second year it is decrease, so bracket open, 1 minus R2 upon 100. Hope you are understanding. First year it is increased, that is why plus. In the second year it is decreased, that is why minus. That is 72,000 into 1 plus 7 upon 100, and in the second year 1 minus 5 upon 100. 7 and 100 can't cancel, so 5 ones are 5 20s are. So it becomes 72,000. This becomes 100 plus 7 upon 100, and in the second one it becomes 20 minus 1 upon 20, isn't it? So 72,000 into 107 upon 100 into, this is 19 upon 20. 20 cancel, 10 cancel, 2 ones are 236 are. So you got how much? When you multiply you will get, it is 73,188. 73,188. So answer, profits of the firm after 2 years is rupees 73,188. So are you clear? First it is increase, in the second year it is decrease. So both you have to, first it is plus, second it is minus. So that was question number 4. Now coming to question number 5. The population of a town is 64,000. If the annual birth rate is a 10.7% and the annual death rate is a 3.2%, calculate the population after 3 years. And the hint is also given, it is a net growth rate. Total growth rate will be how much average? It will be birth rate minus the death rate. So first you have to find out the net growth rate. So net growth rate is equal to birth rate minus the death rate. Birth rate, how much it is given? 10.7% minus death rate is 3.2%. So it will be 7 minus 2 is 5 and 10 minus 3 is 7. So you got 7.5%. That is the net growth rate. Means increase. Okay, the rate of increase. Now the population, the population, first initial population is equal to 64,000, that means that is P. Now time, rate of growth is equal to 7.5%. Now time, it is, this is R. Now N is equal to 3 years. So population after 3 years, that is A, P into 1 growth, that is why 1 plus R upon 100, the whole raised to n. Now it will be how much? P is 64,000 into 1 plus R is 7.5 upon 100 the whole raised to 3. Now 7.5 decimal निकालो, so it will be 64,000 into 1 plus 75 upon 1000 multiply by 10. So डेसिमल निकलेगा लेकिन डिनोमिनेटर में 1000 आएगा. समझ में आया? सो 75 ones are sorry 25 threes are sorry 25 threes are 25 fours are 100 and 0. So you get denominator 40. ये समझ में आया? डेसिमल निकालने के लिए इंटू 10 किए, इसके लिए न्यूमरेटर में 75, डिनोमिनेटर में 100 इंटू 10 इज 1000. देन कैंसलेशन के वक्त 25 3s are 75, 25 4s are 100 and एक 0. So now it becomes 64000 into denominator is 40, so 40 plus 3, 43 upon 40, again 43 upon 40, again 43 upon 40, 1 2 3, zeros get cancelled. Now 4 ones are 4 16s are 4 ones are 4 4s are 16, 4 ones are 4 ones are. So 43 into 43 into 43, it will be 79507, 79,507. So answer 79,507. That is the population after 3 years. Okay. Now the last question, in a factory, the production of the motorbikes was 40,000 in a particular year. So the initial production was 40,000, which rose to 48,400 in 2 years. So पहले 40,000 था, 2 साल के बाद वो 48,400 हो गया. Find the rate of growth. So R find out करने का if it was uniform during the 2 years. मतलब सेम टू सेम है दोनों साल में. सो R1 R2 नहीं आएगा, डायरेक्टली R. सो प्रोडक्शन, इनिशियल प्रोडक्शन, initial production, that will be P is equal to 40,000. So production after 2 years, that will be A, that is 48,400. समझ में आ गए? पहले 40,000 था, इसके लिए P. 2 साल के बाद वो हो गया 48,400. So that will be A. अभी टाइम कितना है? N is 2 years. Now they have asked the rate of increase. So rate of growth, that is R, how much is it? So formula A is equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 the whole raised to N. Why? Because it is growth, that is why plus. Now amount, the A is 48,400 is equal to 40,000 into 1 plus r upon 100 the whole raised to 2. Now 48400 upon 4 zeros is equal to 1 plus r upon 100 the whole raised to 2. Remember, in the earlier worksheets also we have seen how to find out r. So first 20 cancel. Now 4 का टेबल में 4 ones are 2 zeros, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 ones are 4. So you got 121 upon 100. So 121 upon 100 is equal to 1 plus r upon 100 the whole raised to 2. Now the power is 2 on the right side. तो लेफ्ट साइड में भी पावर 2 बनाओ. अभी 121 किसका स्क्वायर है? 11 और 100 10 का. So 11 upon 10 the whole square is equal to 1 plus r upon 100 the whole square. This square and square get cancelled, so it becomes 11 upon 10 is equal to 1 plus r upon 100. That means how much it will be? R upon 100. You keep it on the right side. This becomes 11 upon 10 minus 1. So it will be how much? 11 minus 10. Isn't it? 11 minus 10 upon 10 means 1 upon 10 is equal to r upon 100. That means r is equal to 1 into 100 upon 10. 0, 0 get cancelled. So r is equal to 10% per annum. Sorry, here the place was little bit less, that is why. So first a is equal to p into 1 plus r upon 100 the whole raised to n. 48400 is equal to 40,000 plus 1 plus r upon 100 the whole square. Now 40,000 bring it to the left side. So 48400 upon 40,000. 2 zeros cancel. 4 ones are and 2 zeros means 100. 4 hundreds are 400. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 ones are 4. So you got 121 upon 100 plus 1 plus r upon 100 the whole square. Now this side, left side also you make it a power 2. That is 11 upon 10 the whole square is equal to 1 plus r upon 100 the whole square. The square, the powers get cancelled. So 11 upon 10 is equal to 1 plus r upon 100. That means 11 upon 10 minus 1 is equal to r upon 100. So when you subtract, so it will be 11 minus 10 because the denominator is 10. So 1 becomes 10 upon 10, that is why 11 minus 10 it will be 1. Denominator upon 10 is equal to, right side is r upon 100. So r will be how much? 1 into 100 upon r, cross, isn't it? 1 into 100 upon 10, 0, 0 get cancelled. So r is equal to 10%. So rate of interest, that is why rate of increase. So you have to write the 10% per annum. Hope you are confident of the full worksheet. The rate of increase, that is growth and depreciation. We have completed the lesson. Bye. Thank you. All the best.